Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want advanced visual automations and full control over data flows from your Lovable website, integrating it with Make is the power user move in 2026. Most issues happen because of wrong webhook setup, unpublished pages, missing data mapping, or testing in preview mode. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Lovable with Make in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, decide the trigger event. So this is very important. Okay, so Make needs a trigger from Lovable. So most reliable trigger, form submission via webhook. So other options like button click, costume, JS event. So webhooks are the most stable and recommended. So create a new scenario in Make. So in Make, log in into your account. So you have to have an account first. Okay, so click the plus button, search for webhooks, and after that select costume webhook. This allows Lovable to send data directly to Make. Okay, so create the webhook. So this is required. In Make, click add to create a new webhook. Name it, for example, Lovable from submission or something. Copy the webhook URL. Okay, leave Make waiting for data. Don't close it yet. Now connect the webhook to Lovable. So in Lovable, select your form, go to actions or integrations, choose webhook or external URL, paste the Make webhook URL, map your field, email, name, any costume fields you need, and save the form. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.